So I'm going to be unboxing my Allure Beauty Box for the month of March 2022. This retails for $23. You can cancel anytime. Let's see what we have here. I think you're supposed to get 5 to 6 beauty products. And before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Have a little pamphlet here. You get all the items here with the price, and it tells you like a little description of the product. What is this? Everything in this box is dirty. This thing. See, you gotta do better packaging. So because of this, like, my whole box is dirty, like brown. Anyway, so this is from the brand Ico. I have tried one thing of Ico. I believe it was a mascara, waterproof mascara. Really excited because I really like waterproof mascaras, as you guys may know. Didn't work out. I have a video on it if you would like to see. This is the Ico Double Act Shadow Stick in Dusk and Dawn. And this retails for $25. It also comes with a sharpener. You see it here. So that's pretty cool. This multitasking pen is an excellent start. On one end, you'll find Dusk, a deep chocolatey brown, and on the other, a warm bronzy brown called Dawn. Each looks great worn alone as a liner, but these creamy, easily blendable shades really shine when paired together. It's so messed up. I really want to see what the other side looks like. So this is the color Dawn, Dusk. Look at that. Everything's filthy now. Brand Shani Darden, and it has a little sticker here. It says Best of Beauty Allure 2020. Retinol plus AHA serum. This is a 0.3 ounce. You get the full size. It retails for $88, and it would be a 1 ounce. Remember, this is just 0.3 ounces. Skincare Wonder is the star of the Jellied Serum, a Best Beauty Award winner created by celebrity facialist Shani Darden. It's the rare retinol formula that is effective yet gentle, boosting its key ingredients with line smoothing alpha hydroxy acids while cushioning it in soothing, hydrating ones such as aloe vera, glycerin, and rosemary leaf extract. Okay. Let's see, pump. Yes, so that's a pump. Thank God I looked up at the camera because it just stopped filming. I don't know why, so I don't even know where it ended. Look how filthy everything looks. Cetaphil. This is the Gentle Skin Cleanser. Dry to normal, sensitive skin. I'm not dry. I'm not normal. I'm oily. 1 ounce. How cute is that? So I see it here like in the back. Also see here by looking at it, they also have one that says combination to oily sensitive skin. So this one hydrates as it cleanses to soothe and replenish skin moisture. And then the combination to oily says deep cleanse and minimizes appearance of pores without stripping skin and natural moisture. A mascara. Look at that. Is Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. What's the point of wearing mascara if it winds up on your eyelids or smudges? Jet Black formula is made with tubing technology, and if you haven't tried a tube mascara, you're in for a treat. Tiny polymers wrap around each lash, more like a temporary extension than a mascara, for a flake and smudge free finish with tons of volume. And this retails for $26. Alright, so it looks interesting. I usually like, I don't know why, like an hourglass shape or the spiky mascaras. Go for a giveaway after I clean all of this mess. Imagine if I put this in giveaways and it looks this disgusting. How sad. Completely different. A 0.2 ounce. Our cream is a major multitasker containing amino acids, vitamins, squalene, and hyaluronic acid to get ready for another long list. Smooth, brighten, hydrate, and soothe. So the big size I believe is 1.7 ounces, and that would retail for $280. That's crazy. Let's see what this looks like, if I can take it out. But I guess like this you can see if you want to splurge the $280. BeautyStyle Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. This is a 1 ounce. If you buy the full size, is 8 ounces, and that would retail for $42. I did use a BeautyStyle mask before. I don't know from what subscription did I get it. I wasn't too impressed. I only got 2 uses out of it, so I don't know, maybe I had to use it more, but I like my hair mask to be like thick, not runny like a regular conditioner. Anyway, so this exfoliating shampoo, sulfate-free, Best of Beauty award-winning formula, cleanses and smells heavenly like mint. But it's also a very pampering scalp treatment. It hydrates with coconut oil while gently exfoliating to remove product buildup and dead skin, along with flakes. The calming scent comes from peppermint and spearmint essential oils. I love spearmint, which are a soothing treat for often overlooked scalps. Alright, and it says to use once a week and massage into your scalp. Another product here. This looks like a nice full size Alpha H liquid gold with glycolic acid. Has about the consistency of a toner. Is spiked with 5% glycolic acid to dissolve dead skin cells and licorice root extract to brighten. It makes skin feel smooth and look radiant. And even faded one editor's stubborn post-acne dark spot after a week of use. What? Okay, if that's true. Because you know when you get acne, that spot stays there forever. So, we'll see. It's no wonder this toner, which comes from Australia, is a global bestseller. Last year, 2 bottles reportedly sold every minute of every day all over the world. So if you would get the full size, it would be 3.38 ounces, which is this one, and it retails for $54. So the box wasn't bad. Besides that, you know, it happens with shipping or whatever happened that this thing, you know, dirtied everything. But if you see, like, it's a huge difference. Like, I don't know, whatever. Let's just stop dwelling on it. I mean, the box is $23. This alone is $54. I know BeautyStyle is a pretty expensive brand, even if it's just 1 ounce. So, I mean, you do get your money's worth. If you like skincare, sometimes they will send you products that are good for your skin. Sometimes they're not. But I do think they have several variations to this box. Let me know if you received it. What did you get? I think there's like 3-4 variations. I don't know if I will continue this box. Maybe go back to BoxyCharm and Ipsy for a while. Just alternate. I did have a glossy box before. They sent me like 2 or 3 of their boxes. If you enjoyed watching this Allure unboxing, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.